Hello, and welcome back to Tech by Pike. Today, we're going to be reviewing another mouse. It is a Razer mouse, the Razer Basilisk Pro V3 this time. And we also have the Mouse Dock Pro to go with it. We did do a review on the Basilisk V2 last year, so let's go ahead and crack these open and see what's changed. Let's get into it. Here we have the Razer Basilisk Pro version 3 and the mouse dock. Let's go ahead and get into them. The presentation for the mouse is always beautiful, always just sitting in that mold down there. Nice texture on it. You have your the wireless dongle. Your nice cloth cord. I really like these cords. Instruction manual and their go-to stickers that they put in absolutely everything. Let's take a look at the mouse. So the mouse has 10 programmable buttons. It has their Gen 3 mouse clicker on it. Wireless, Bluetooth, can be wired as well. The optical mouse switches. It has their high performance, low latency gaming with their hyperspeed wireless. It's pretty nice looking. So that little cap comes off the bottom. You can store your dongle in here, and I'm pretty sure the dock has that little magnetic piece in here, right there, and that's going to slide in right there, so this connects to the dock better. So their 10 buttons are the one right here. You got this guy, you got this guy, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pushing down on the mouse wheel is 8, and then probably going forward and backward is 9 and 10. You can customize it with their app online for the different profiles if you want different speeds and DPI, different colors for the RGB lights. Let's move everything aside and let's open up the dock. The dock definitely doesn't have as pretty as the case. Same cloth wire though, so that's kind of cool. I really like these. You have the instruction menu here. No stickers this time. Wow, surprising. No stickers. Nice flimsy cardboard. Wow. The dock is very heavy. The dock is heavier than the mouse. Here's that little piece I was telling you about that's going to fit in the bottom of the mouse. It's going to slide right in there. And you turn it to fit. So that's how you're going to charge the mouse with the dock. Ooh, really nice non-slick. yeah, that holds on there. That grips on there really well. That's nice. Just like that. Magneted it on. Wow. That is sweet. Well, that didn't held on very well right there, did it? Kind of just takes a minute to connect. Maybe it's on backwards? Oh, well, charges that way too. I don't think it matters. That's nice. Alright, let's plug it in and see what it looks like. Alright, so we plugged the dongle in and the mouse. The dongle has a nice RGB light going around the, or not the dongle, I apologize. The wireless dock has a nice RGB light going around the bottom of it. I'm so impressed with the grip of this thing though. Like, man, you can really place that down on your desk and it is not going anywhere. So let's set that right there. I really like the RGB light. It looks kind of cool. Here's the mouse. So we have the lights around the wheel, the emblem, and then just like the dock, there's one that goes around the bottom. The mouse actually feels very comfortable. I really like the texture. For my hand, it's a little big. It's kind of hard to press this button right here unless I adjust my hand from just the comfortable sitting position, but it's not bad. Alright, we have it sitting on the dock. Oh, the light pulsates when it's charging. It turned green, and now it's just pulsating. Well, so now you know it's connected. That's pretty cool. Take it off. Automatically connects. Wow, I really like that. That is a pretty awesome feature. You never have to plug your mouse back in again. After using the mouse for a bit, I'm very happy with it. I think that is very comfortable. It fits pretty nicely in my hand, except for that the button on that far left side. It's called the sniper button. It's a little hard to reach. You have to kind of adjust my hand a little bit to hit it.
Tell the difference from here.
And that is a difference with the V2. That mouse button on the version 2 Basilisk is removable, and you can swap it out where it's not removable on the V3. Besides that, the differences are pretty minimal between the mouses. The version 3 has a extra RGB light on the bottom of it. They redesigned the bottom pads so that it might glide a little bit better, but I doubt you're really going to notice it all that much.
Ant spotted!
They changed the wheel scrolling to where it can change between free roaming to locked, so it's a little bit more optimized. But I mean, besides that, they didn't change a lot. It does look nice. It feels really good. I think the thing that I'm most impressed with was just the dock and how convenient it was. If you're going to get this mouse, I would highly recommend getting the dock with it, just for the convenience factor. The grip on it was really nice to where you can just put it on your desk, leave it, forget it, and just make sure you plug your mouse into it. Well, not plug it in, but just set on top before you're done gaming. I think it was, I would say it was a necessary thing to buy. Besides that, I appreciate you guys watching the video.
I don't think I'm high enough level
Enjoy
to
this
take on
little
such
part
a
of Grounded. Freaking out. The spiders are super realistic looking. Besides that, have a good day, like and subscribe.